Okay, it's BradMan here. Yeah, this morning I found a little baby bird who'd fallen out of the tree, and lucky I work in a wildlife rescue centre, so that's where he's going now. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you all a little baby bird. But from now until December, we're going to get a whole heap of them, like hundreds of them. And they have to be fed every 3 hours or something, which is pretty hard work. And they poo everywhere. But I love them, so it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. See yous. Say bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, YouTube. See yous. Okay, it's BradMan again. Here's that little noisy miner that I just had before, and it's in the nice warm hot box now with a couple of little mates. There's a little dove in there, I think, and another little noisy miner, and he's got little kangaroo buddies, little wallaby buddies, so he's going to be happy. He probably won't want to leave. Okay, see yous.